शिवो महेश्वर शंभु पिनाकी शशिशेखरः वामदेवो विरूपाक्षः कपर्दी नीललोहितः। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। Namaskarams to all. Today I would be talking about what dance means to me again. So what the dance would bring the changes in us. That is how we are different when compared to others, is what I am going to tell you. When I am a dancer, it is normally like we would be over makeup, or we would be in a gaudy colored dress, or we would be traditionally dressed with a nice flower on head, a bindi, or we are very traditional, in other words, if I have to tell, or you have a very kind of different picture about a dancer. But usually when we see an evolved dancers, they have a very different aura. When we get close to those dancers, we get goosebumps. I'm thinking of some teachers whom I respect from my heart, and when I am thinking about them, I'm getting goosebumps. So there are many gurus who are still deep in my heart, and because of them, I always get new ideas. I always get new things in me. First of all, I would like to introduce my guru, Radha Krishna Tantri. He is no more, but he is in my heart. And every time I choreograph a new dance, I see his face, his smiling face, and always he would tell me, "You go ahead, there's no stop for you." And this always makes me get more energy, more power to speak, to do, to choreograph, to do many things. So I do all my namaskarams to my Guru Radha Krishna Tantri. Even if he is no more, yet I cannot tell that he is late to me. He is always in me, within me, and every moment I walk, he is with me. And he is letting me show what is world with the help of this dance. So I will always keep him inside my heart. And then I have many other teachers. My guru, my first guru, Shamla ma'am. Right now she is in Bangalore, but she used to be in Bailur. The moment I started with her, I knew that I was in a right path, because I used to dance in every place, every moment, everywhere. And when I met Shamla ma'am, it was like, okay, I am destined to the right thing. I will be moving forward ahead with the right person. She had to go to Bangalore, and then I continued under Radha Krishna Tantri, and he was a power pack. He filled me with a lot of energy, which I myself cannot imagine. After him, I had been to Chennai. I will never ever forget my teacher, Geeta Gopinath. She's very sweet. And when I went to her, I knew that my basics were not at all good. They were messed up, and I was not knowing what is Natyaramba, what is Aramandi. To be frank, I wasn't a dancer. And she introduced me into the world of Bharatanatyam. And I do all namaskarams to her, Geeta Gopinath ma'am. And Gopinath sir, he introduced what is tala, what is rhythm, what is natvangam, what is all that branch of Bharatanatyam. So I do all namaskarams to him. I wanted to learn more. So I had been to Bangalore, and then I had to talk to Kiran Subramaniam sir. He was quite busy with the schedule and everything, but he introduced me to one of the sweetest teacher, Ramya Janaki Ramanan. And she took me everywhere, to every classes possibly, and she was just making me sit beside, or she used to make me dance, and she used to tell, this is how we used to take. And I give all my namaskarams to Kiran sir, because I knew from him how a class has to be done. how organized, how in a disciplined way a dance has to be trained. This is all from Guru Kiran Subramaniam. And I just went to learn from him how to train. And I have got a lot of things from him and I'm trying to develop them. And I give my all namaskarams to Guru Kiran Subramaniam. After that, I had many other teachers, Radhika ma'am, Sheila Sridhar ma'am from Mysore when I was studying masters in dance, who are deep in my heart, and every moment when I say Guru Bhyo Namaha, I will remember each and everybody. And that Guru Bhakti is very important for every dancers. Without Guru Bhakti, they are nothing. They are not going to learn anything in the field of art. So I would like to tell that dance doesn't exist without Guru, and learning from Guru and executing accordingly what Guru decides, what Guru needs is most important. So when you are able to execute the best than your Guru and he is happy about it, then you have a right Guru with you and you are growing rightly. So I wish everybody to excel beyond your Guru, as I also wish my student to be beyond me. So today I would be introducing my student Dhanyashri Bhatt, who have been learning Bharatanatyam since 4 years, and she is so dedicated and so humble into dance that she practices every day to excel well, to grow more in this art. Even if she is being nurtured by a single parent, but yet she is supported by every parent of my institution, and I'm very happy about that. And she is equally thankful to each and everybody, and she's making herself so beautifully, not just a dancer, but as a good human as well. So this is what I'm expecting from my student. I'm introducing my dearest student, Dhanyashri Bhatt.
Tajum tajum tagadajum tajum tajum tagadajum tajum tajum tagadajum tagadajum tajum tagadajum tagadajum tajum tagadajum tagidajum tajum tagadajum 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 tagidajum tagadajum 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 Tagadajum
च गायत्री गुरुदेवेति हृदि स्थिते चतुर्दकार-संयुक्ते पुनर्जन्मं न विद्यते। जय गीतागङ्गे च गायत्री गुरुदेवेति हृदि स्थिते चतुर्दकार-संयुक्ते पुनर्जन्मं न विद्यते। जय जय गीतागङ्गे च गायत्री गुरुदेवेति हृदि स्थिते चतुर्दकार-संयुक्ते पुनर्जन्मं न विद्यते। गीतागङ्गे च गायत्री गुरुदेवेति हृदि स्थिते चतुर्दकार-संयुक्ते पुनर्जन्मं न विद्यते। जय जय
ధళంకుతింగిణతం ఆకుధణకుతక జం దక జం దరి కిటక తత్తకుధణకుతక జం దక జం దరి కిటక ఆకుధణకు జం ధణకు జం కిణకు జం తజం దక జం దరి కిటక ఆకుధణకు జం ధణకు జం కిణకు జం తజం దక జం దరి కిటక తజం దరింగిణకం తజం దక దరింగిణకం దకం దక దిగు దరింగిణకం
జ్ఞానమూలం గురుమూర్తి పూజామూలం గురోపదం ఇంద్రమూలం గురోర్వాక్యం మోక్షమూలం గురోర్కృపా జ్ఞానమూలం గురోర్మూర్తి పూజామూలం గురోపదం ఇంద్రమూలం గురోర్వాక్యం మోక్షమూలం గురోర్కృపా.
ధళంకుతం దక తదింగిణతం దక తకిట తజం దక ధిమి తజం తకిట తజం దక ధిమి తజం తకిట తజం దక తజం తకిట తజం దక తజం తజం తదింగిణతం తజం తదింగిణతం తదింగిణతం తజం తదింగిణతం తదింగిణతం తదింగిణతం
यत्र योगीश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः यत्र योगीश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्री विजयो भूति ध्रुवानीति मतिर्ममः तत्र श्री विजयो भूति ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्ममः यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्री विजयो भूति ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्ममः गायन्त्रायते गायत्री सर्वरोगनिवारिणी सर्वदुःखपरिवारिणी सर्ववाञ्छफलश्री भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। गायन्तं त्रायते गायत्री सर्वरोगनिवारिणी सर्वदुःख परिवारिणी सर्ववांछ फलश्री
ಗಳಂಗು ತೊಂದ ದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂದರಿ ಕುತಲಕ ಝಂದ ಧಣಕು ಝಂದ ಕಿಣಕು ಝಂದ ಚೊಣಕು ಝಂದ ಸರಿಕು ಧಣಕು ಧಣಕು ಕಿಣಕು ಝನಕು ಕುಂತರಿ ಗಡತಕ ಧರೆ ಗಡದಂ ಗಡತಕ ಧರೆ ಗಡದಂ ಗಡತಕ ಧರೆ ಗಡದಂ
देवी सुरेश्वरी भगवती गंगे त्रिभुवन पालिनी शंकर मौली विहारी विमले मम मति राखा तव पद कमले देवी सुरेश्वरी भगवती गंगे गंगे गायत्री गुरुदेवेति हृदि स्थिते चतुर्गकार संयुक्ते पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते
कल्याण राम रघुराम राम कल्याण राम रघुराम राम कल्याण राम
जम तडिता देत दिमिक तकिट तक तकुम दडिकिट तक दतकुत जम दडितै देत दिमिक तकिट तक तकुम दडिकिट तक दाखत जम तडिताम देत दिमिक तकिट तक दतकुत जम दडितै देत दिमिक तकिट तक दाखत जम दडिता दतकुत जम दडितै दाखत जम दडित दतकुत जम दडिता खत जम ततकुत जम गणम गिनम dim da dim da ka dim da dim da dim da dim da dim ginna tom da ding ginna tom da ding ginna tom da dim da ka dim da dim da dim da dim ginna tom da ding ginna tom da dim ginna tom da dim da ka dim da dim da dim ginna tom da dim ginna tom da dim ginna tom
राम रघुराम राम कल्याण राम रघुराम राम कल्याण राम रघुराम राम कनकमकुट मरगत मणिरोद हार दशरथ बाल सीता कल्याण राम रघुराम రామ రామ కళ్యాణ రామ రఘురామ రామ కళ్యాణ రామ రఘురామ రఘురామ రామ కనకమకుట మరగత మణిరోల హార దశరథ బాల శ్రీర కళ్యాణ రామ మల్లికాది సుగంధమయ నవమాలికాది శోభిత గళన 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 ఉల్లాస పరిశీలన చావర ఉభయ పార్శ్వేన కుండల కేలన ఉల్లాస పరిశీలన చావర ఉభయ పార్శ్వేన కుండల కేలన కళ్యాణ రామ రఘురామ రామ కనకమకుట మరగత మణిరోల హార దశరథ బాల శ్రీర కళ్యాణ రామ ಆಗತ ಸುರವರ ಮುನಿಗಣ ಸಜನ ಅಗಣಿತ ಜನಗಣ ಕೋಶಿತ ಮಂಗಳ ಆಗತ ಸುರವರ ಮುನಿಗಣ ಸಜನ ಅಗಣಿತ ಜನಗಣ ಕೋಶಿತ ಮಂಗಳ ರಾಘವ ರಾಮ ರಘುರಾಮ ರಾಮ 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 ರಾಘವ ರಾಮ ರಘುರಾಮ ರಾಮ ಜನಕ ರಮಣ ಮನೋಗರ ಸೇರ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ರಾಮ ರಘುರಾಮ ರಾಮ ಕನಕಮಕುಟ ಮರಗದ ಮಣಿರೋದ ಹಾರ ದಶರಥ ಬಾಲ ಶ್ರೀರ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ರಾಮ ರಾಮ